Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and welcome back to everybody who's joined over the past week or two while I've been in and out working on other things. So I didn't think I was even close to reaching this threshold, but where I am right now is I am actually allowed to begin to offer memberships. So I guess this is, well, one, I just kind of think that's awesome, but two, I have no idea what kind of memberships you guys would be interested in. If I have no idea. Do we want to do? You guys tell me what you want to see because you'd be the ones using them. So I don't know if we want private live streams, video only. There's capabilities of priority comments, but I guess we have the Discord. So please have at it. Drop down comments down below or over in Discord, the type of things that you need, want, would like to see. However, I'm just super excited because, again, this is just another way to be here for you. I think there's badges and emojis. A ton of variety of things that we can do. But again, I have no idea what you'd like, and this is your channel. I just facilitate and am the guide on your path to learn Python. So I'm going to have a real quick week with some videos, and also I'll remind you every video, and we'll probably announce it towards the end of the week, the video series that we'll do next. I think unit testing is in the lead right now, so make sure you are jumping over to Discord, vote on any video series you'd like to see. I think we have unit testing, answering questions on Code Wars, and then also building a digital clock. So those are the three that I think I can remember that are in the lead. So if any of those are, we'll do all of them, but I'm just doing it in order of whatever votes are the highest. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you're jumping down below and hitting that Discord button. And please don't forget to subscribe and like and hit that notification bell. And drop down any comments that you'd like to see for membership ideas or things that you want to have happen on this channel for you. But as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.